Hey, thanks for choosing StreamingChurch.tv for your streaming video needs. So we're going to show you how you can add some content to your active dynamic zone. And I'm going to pull up the StreamingChurch.tv platform here just so I can illustrate for you what the active dynamic zone is. So the active dynamic zone is under your video player, and this is a tool that you can use. With a click of the mouse, you can change what's under this player. So when people are viewing your live services or your archives, they can see different things pop up here while they're watching the streaming video. This happens to be the countdown timer. We suggest you leave the countdown timer up, and then once your service starts going and you're streaming live, you could change it to something else. So let me kind of show you how you can do that. You want to log in as an administrator to your StreamingChurch.tv account. From there, you want to go to Active Zone and then look for the Add Dynamic area. So you can add a bunch of different uh, options here to the active dynamic area, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you have a little editor here, and first thing you want to do if you want to add an image is click image from your editor and then hit browse server. Now, it's important to understand that you can load, you'll have some stuff preloaded in your gallery, but you can load some other things in here. And the way you do that is just hit browse and click something from that you've got on your hard drive and then upload it and then refresh and you will see that. So there's a variety of images already loaded here. Let's go ahead and click this image. It's a You're Invited image. We're going to click it, and you can edit the image here and do different things. You can hyperlink it as well. I'm just going to go with this one. It's called You're Invited. So let's make believe I've hyperlinked an image to this, and people can click on this, whatever the event is, you're invited. So once you've loaded this and got it to what you want as far as the right size, just hit Create Content, and it is now in there with the other options that you can use as you're streaming live. So let's say we want to just go ahead and go with this. You click a little radio button down there, scroll down here and hit Actives Selected, and then I'm going to show you here is the Streaming Church TV platform, and there you go. This has now been added. And if there was a hyperlink here, you might even want to put a little text down here or something saying click on this. People could click on it and it would open up into maybe a sign up page or something that you want people to see more details on. So the active dynamic zone is something that you, as an administrator, as you're streaming live, you can open up your admin area and you can make changes to this, kind of like what I would call a revolving billboard. If you've gone down the interstate on some different highways, you'll see the billboards kind of change before your eyes. And you can do this as well, so to speak, with the streaming platform. You can change what people see in here. It takes a few seconds after you click it, but it's a nice little tool to keep people up to date on things happening at your church or your ministry. Now, if you have questions about that or anything else, just send us an email, support@streamingchurch.tv.